Hi everyone, James back at Nanotech Tech Talk, and I'm here to move on to the next part of the build. If you haven't been following up till now, so far I've unboxed the case. It's the Cooler Master Half XB, and if you're interested in seeing more about that case, please go to the corresponding video. And I've also installed the cooling system, and it's a Corsair H100i. Again, if you want to know more details about that, please go to that video. And I've installed the power supply, and that is the EVGA. It's a 750 watt power supply. It's the let's see here. It's the NEX 750G. It's a completely modular power supply, and I also have a video on that. This video is going to be all about getting the motherboard prepped to install in the case. So the first thing I'm going to do is I'm going to grab the motherboard tray, because we were able to take that out of the case, which is a really nice feature. And the first thing I'll do is attach the motherboard to the tray. It'll provide a little bit better surface to work off of. And after I get that installed, I'll install the processor and then the mounting bracket for the cooling system. So let's talk a little bit about the motherboard. I went with the MSI Z77A-GD65. It's a gaming motherboard. I'm not going to go into a lot of details about it. Some of the highlights is it does have the killer E2200 Ethernet, so it's supposed to be, you know, faster for gaming purposes. I've used killer products in the past, and I haven't really noticed much of a difference between those and other, you know, brands like Intel or stuff like that. So apparently this motherboard uses military class 3 top quality caps and CMOS chips, and you know, so on and so forth. I don't know about military class. Maybe they're sturdier than normal, but I don't think the military is using this board. It's a LGA 1155 chipset, so it's compatible with the 2nd and 3rd gen Intel Core i processors. It has 3 PCI 3.0 times 16 slots, so you can do a 3-way SLI. It's 4 DIMMs of dual channel DDR3 3000 is what it'll support up to. It has 4 PCIe slots, 4 SATA 6 gig and 4 SATA 3 gig. So, and it supports RAID 0, 1, 5, and 10. Let's see, 4 USB 3.0 plus 10 USB 2.0. So, and it's got an 8-channel HD audio built in. So there's quite a lot of features here. I've never used an MSI board before. I typically go with something like Asus, so I'm looking forward to trying this out. I'm hoping that the board lives up to the good reviews that it got. So let me go ahead and open this up. Take it out. You'll notice that the motherboard will come in one of these bags here, and the bag is actually it's an anti-static bag, so you know, it helps protect the printed circuit board from getting damaged by static electricity. So inside the box, you got your little plate for the back side of the computer. It comes with some SATA cables. It comes with these little quick connectors for like your hard drive light, your reset button, your power button, stuff like that. Makes them easier to install. Let's see. I'm not sure what these are. Oh, these might be for, yeah, to check the voltage. These little tester cables. I probably won't use those for anything. Comes with this really cool tag or little badge here that you can put on your case. It's gaming G series MSI. That's really cool. I like that. Comes with your SLI bridge, just one of them, even though it supports 3-way SLI. Let's see. I am looking for standoff screws, and of course I'm not seeing any. I really hope they included those somewhere. So, apparently MSI feels that we should be on our own to supply standoff screws. I don't like that. I know a lot of cases do supply those. I'll look in my case hardware kit, but let me check the case hardware kit. Hopefully it came with all the standoffs that I need. Probably did. Hopefully it did. Okay. And yes, it did. So, grab my standoff screws out of here. Okay, so that's the first thing I'm going to do. I'm going to push this aside and put my standoffs on. So they start 2 of them for you. There's like this little index down here that tells you which holes you need to use depending on the board. This will support a micro ATX and an ATX motherboard. So for ATX I need to use holes A, B, C, D, E, F, J, K, and L. And it starts me off with B and E. So let me go ahead and install the rest of them. Let me pause this for just a second.